Hello, grade fours. Today we are going to do a rocks and minerals scavenger hunt. Woo! So exciting. Okay, so the directions say look up the answers for the following questions using the website listed below. You may have to read parts of the website to find your answers and then record your answers on the paper. Okay, so these are the questions right here. So what is a mineral? And I want you to put your answer in the box. Name 4 physical properties of minerals, and I want you to put your answers in the 4 boxes, okay, and so forth. There are a total of 10 questions. Now, you are going to click on these links and find the answers to these questions. Last time I checked, these links were working. If they don't, you're pretty smart, and I feel like you can find the answers by just Googling them, okay? But that's only if the links do not work. Now, some of the links, if you can't click on the link for some reason, just type the link the exact same way that it's shown here in your Google search bar, okay? And it should take you right there. I am so excited to see your responses. I hope you have fun and have a fabulous day, grade fours.